Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have a unboxing and review or overview of the new release by Marc over at Long Island Watch, the Islander Red October. It's a limited edition automatic dive watch. Very, very excited about this. I had ordered the ISL 18 a while back, and I loved it. Just a little brief history. Uh, about a year and a half ago, I decided to mod an SKX. I was inspired by a Instagram post. Somebody had put a picture of a mod that they did of an SKX in the style of a Yachtmaster, and I was like, that is awesome. I tried my best at it. It came out terribly, and so I gave up. Sometime after that, Marc came out with his watches, and then he came out with the ISL-18, and I was like, "That's it. That's exactly what I wanted to do." And I'll put a link to my review of that right here. And then I sold it. It is what it is. I had to get some watches in for the channel to review. Um, and then about a month and a half ago, Marc came out with a video saying, well, he had modded his own ISL 18 and added the red second hand to make it even look more like a Yachtmaster, or took another cue from the Yachtmaster. Obviously, there's a huge, huge difference between the two. But he was toying with the idea of coming out with an ISL 18 with a red second hand, and I was like, yes, please do it. And sure enough, he did. Now, he put out in his video, he said that he was going to release it sometime in November. Didn't really give a heads up. I know that sometimes he does releases on 2 p.m.s. He'll do a video on Eastern Standard Time. He'll release it at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And sometimes he does it on Thursdays. So I was kind of around that time last week, Thursday at 2 o'clock, I was watching to see if anything would pop up, and sure enough, it did. And wow, here it is. Wow, that is awesome. Now, that that red seconds hand really, really gives it some depth. Oh, I love it. This is great. Well done, Marc. And I'm happy that he's still using the Oyster bracelet. The ISL 44, the green dial version, or the green Yachtmaster, um, came with this Jubilee style bracelet, and I wasn't that big of a fan of it. I know a lot of people like the Jubilee, and I do too, but not on that watch. But I like the fact that he. Oh, is this polished centerlinks? Uh huh. Now, I'm not. I don't recall off the top of my head if the ISL 18 had polished centerlinks. But if it did, then my bad. But it looks like it's polished center links, and that's even another cue from the Rolex Yachtmaster 1. Wow, he's nailing down the cues here. This this just looks great. And in the sunlight, wow, even there, you can see how awesome that looks. Now let's do some quick measurements here. We have a 43 millimeter case diameter, a 14 millimeter case thickness, and you do have that sapphire crystal there. You have a 46 millimeter lug to lug and a 22 millimeter lug width. This is a 200-meter water resistance watch. It is powered by the NH36, which is a 24 joule movement. It's at 21,600 vibrations per hour. And roughly around a 40-hour power reserve, maybe a little bit more. So you have the day and date window. Wow, awesome, awesome. And you still kind of have these SKX hands. So you still have some um, SKX cues here on this watch. Hand winding and hacking. Let's turn that bezel. Oh, I do have. Uh, okay, let's just turn yeah, very, very nice. You have an embossed ceramic insert. And obviously the Yachtmaster has a platinum bezel, but this is not that. But anyway, it looks cool, and trust me, if this is anything like the ISL 18, it in the sunlight, it is super super blingy. You have the symbol here of the Islander symbol right there. Automatic, 200 meters water resistance. And there's, okay, yep, there it is, the red October. Oh, wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. Let me see if I could zoom in here a little bit. I wonder, I know there's only 200 of these, and these did sell out pretty quickly, guys. So that is, oops, I apologize, number 28, it looks like to me, of 200. So, they are, it's a limited edition 200, and they sold out very, very quickly. I was fortunate to get one. I was fortunate to see or get the, sorry guys, I'm losing focus here. There we go. I was fortunate to get this watch when I did. Now, I can't imagine with the success of this selling out so quickly that Marc will not do another re-release. He's got to, I would imagine. I mean, this was a home run, in my opinion, and it's MSRP for 349. So I think it's pretty good bang for your buck here. Now I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna measure I'm gonna size the watch, and you do have the screwed links here, and then I'm gonna give you guys a wrist shot when I get back. Super Luminova on the indices in the hands. Yeah. Okay. So I'll be right back, guys. Well, here you go. Here's what it looks like on my 6 3/4 inch links. That polished center links will just add to the bling factor of that dial, and that embossed ceramic insert. That red seconds hand gives it that great pop. Man, this looks really, really good. I think I'm going to have to keep this one for a while. This watch just looks great in the sunlight. And if you have ever a chance to pick up an ISL 18, do it. I mean, it doesn't have the red seconds hand, but do it. You'll thank me for it, because it is a great looking watch. I think it's top. I think it's Marc's top seller in his lineup. I could be wrong, but I believe that it is. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and please remember to like and subscribe and click that bell icon to get notifications every time I upload new videos. I love making these videos, and I hope you like them too. See you next time, guys.